I hate tiny whoops, but I love them. Like I hate them, but I love them. Let me tell you. Like if I had to choose between like flying a tiny whoop and a 3.5, 3-inch, whatever, I would always choose a 3-inch drone. 3.5 is like my favorite right now. They're just so fast. They're strong. They're solid. The flight performance is phenomenal. Then you start flying these tiny whoops, and they fly like crap. They're annoying. And when I break a motor or something on a 3.5 inch, I don't feel as bad as when I smash something with a tiny whoop and then the little stupid motor stops working, and it's just this stupid little thing that I just get annoyed at all the time, and the ESCs blow on them and everything just breaks on them, and they're just crap. But now that the 1002 motors have come out, I find it makes a huge difference for me. I find that it makes the tiny whoops able to fly a little bit smoother. You maybe build them a little bit heavier, but they have a little bit more power, and you can balance everything out and get something that flies decently. Also, the Meteor 75 Pro to me is a game changer. Like it's a drone that you can buy and start flying, and I think it's the best drone for anyone to start flying with. And on top of that, it's just being able to fly with people, it makes something totally different. So being able to go to these little tiny whoop races and fly these things that I hate, but you get to be with people, it changes everything. And my FPV journey is mostly alone. Like I don't get to fly with a lot of people. Most of the people that fly are not like in my area, so I feel like I'm kind of in Toronto alone, and I always fly by myself. But all winter long is like whoop season, and once a month I get to go to race, and that's fun. But I just got my friend Eric into FPV, and basically he flew for a bit on the Sims, but within 2 hours I got him flying acro on a Meteor 75 Pro, and he bought 2 of them, because you got to have 2 of whatever you're flying just in case, you know. Like if you buy one and it breaks, it's just terrible. But if you buy one and then it breaks, you fly the next one, and if something goes wrong, you usually have parts from the first one that broke. And to me, that's the best way to kind of start and be able to do everything. If you want to get into FPV, or if you do FPV and you want to get friends into it, but you don't really have an easy way for them to get into it, every year I make a video with the best setup, like that I think is just the cheapest, best setup worth getting that you can get into. So at the end of this video, I'm going to have that video linked so you can get everything you need to get started just like Eric for under $500. But it's so much fun to be able to just fly with a friend. It makes it totally different. And even just like, flying around my house and whatever, it's okay. But like the moment that Eric comes over and we get to fly together, it like adds a whole new level of fun, and that makes tiny whoops worth, I don't know, enjoying and exploring with. But yeah, here's a video of just me and my friends messing around with the tiny whoops, and I'm getting another buddy into it too. So it's an easy way to kind of get other people into it also, because if you try to just do it by yourself, try to figure out all the parts, don't know what to use, it just, you spend a lot of money, you waste a lot of money, and you learn more later and then regret stuff. I think that this setup is great. Eric is loving it. And it's just a great way to just start and get in, okay? Yeah. I hope you guys are doing well, and yeah.